When you're on a worldly job, you do everything your supervisor tells you to do. Or else you get fired. God's will is not to fire you tonight. But God's will is that you get right with him. I hope I know I'm talking right in here. I'm getting ready to close and go to my seat. Y'all got to excuse me. I'm feeling my old man spirit coming out. But as I go to close my seat and go to my seat, it says here in 6, the Lord execute righteousness, the judgment for all that are oppressed, which lets me know in here that as long as we're serving God, as long as we're doing what God says to do, as long as we're sitting and doing what he says, as long, oh Lord have mercy, as we're serving God, it's time to get on the good foot and do what he said to do, because it's time out, y'all. It's time out for all the backbiting. How can the benefits work on your behalf if you're skinning and grinning 1 minute and backbiting the next minute? It won't work, y'all. But Jesus, Lord have mercy. I feel like preaching now. I feel my old man's spirit. Ain't God all right? Ain't God a good God? For he's worthy to be praised. I feel this thing, y'all. We serve a wonderful God, a tangible God, an awesome God, a great ruler. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. So we serve a God, hallelujah, who sits high and looks down low. Ain't God good? Ain't he all right? For he said, my heavy load bearer, Jesus, my rose of Sharon, Jesus, the lily of the valley. His name is Jesus, the bright and morning star. Jesus, thank God. Ain't he all right? Come on here. Hit your cymbals. Play your keyboard. I'm getting ready to go. But before I go, hallelujah, I gotta let you know all about the benefits, because the benefits is what's gonna help you make it over, y'all. The benefits is what's gonna help you. I heard the Lord say, if you don't fight one battle, I'll fight them all. Say yes. Say yes. Oh, yeah. That's enough.